In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use multiple accounts here on Roblox Mobile. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Now, if you want to use multiple accounts here on Roblox Mobile, the first thing that you're going to want to do from the Roblox main page right here is actually select the More icon in the bottom right. From here, go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see this option to switch accounts. Go ahead and select switch accounts just like so, and then hit add account down at the very bottom. From here, you're either going to want to log into an existing account or create a brand new one. Once you are logged in, Roblox is going to switch you over to that account immediately. Now, to actually switch between the accounts though, simply just go ahead and tap more again, scroll all the way down the bottom and hit switch accounts. As you can see, I can switch between these two accounts just like so, and it really is that fast. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. Now you can easily manage and switch between multiple Roblox accounts right on your phone. If this tutorial did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more Roblox specific content just like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.